Okay, let's meet our next Miss U candidate. Ito naman from Arellano University. Let's give it up for Erica Regalado.
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Call me baby if you need me. I just wanna give you love. Come on, come on, come on. Reaching out to you, so take a chance. No matter where you go, you know you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. And when you're weak, I'll be strong. Just gonna keep holding on. No, don't you worry, it won't be long, darling. Don't feel like hope is gone. Just run into my arms. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. I'm only one call away.
Thank you so much, Erica. Parang nagpaturo kay Miss P.
Aba, buti na lang nasa tono siya kung ganon. Erica is from the Arellano University. She's 20 years old. She can sing and she can do so many other things on top of that. Ano siya, member of the college debate team. She's a choir member after all. And she also trained in karate.
Karate pa.
Matindi
Okay.
tong babaeng to. Pero I'd like to get the 2 cents worth of our beauty queens here in our panel of judges. How nerve-wracking is it? Yes, Miss Angelique, you're included in that list. How nerve-wracking is it to perform your talent portion in a crucial competition like this one? Sobrang hirap ba? Ako,
Talent ka ba?
ako steady lang.
Anong talent mo?
Napilit ako. So, sabi ko, sige na nga makapag-drawing dito sa gilid.
Ay!
So, nung nagaganap yung talent portion, kumakanta na silang lahat bilang, sige, mag-drawing ka dyan. So, hindi masyadong kakakaba sa akin kasi andun lang ako para lang akong sumingit.
Hindi na
Ganon.
nakakatuwa. Alam mo, pareho tayo ng talent.
Yan din ginawa
Yeah,
ko.
drawing din. Kasi siguro mas iba kapag singing and
Oo.
dancing eh. Pag drawing, you're in your zone eh. So,
Correct. Pagkakanta parang medyo nakakakaba. Unlike pag nagdodraw ka lang dun sa gilid, sabi ko nga, hindi ka ganun ka-conscious na baka pinapanood ka nila. Busy sila pinapanood, kumakanta yung iba at the same time.
Ayun pala ang
yun.
kailangan. Kailangan matutong
Between
mag-drawing.
101, ikaw between
So, alam nyo na.
mag-drawing.
Oo.
Okay, we'll
Check.
work on that. Thank you very much, guys. At gaya po na sabi namin kahapon, this is not an ordinary beauty pageant. Bukod sa ganda, talento at talino, ang isang Miss You dapat ay may puso at pulso sa mga nangyayari sa kanyang paligid.
Yes, kaya makikipagkwentuhan tayo sa kanila to know them better.
Let's call out our first Miss You from National College of Business and Arts, Caitlin Fernandez. Hello, Caitlin! How are you feeling today, Caitlin? Kamusta naman?
Sobrang saya po.
Sobrang saya. Parang ang you're just enjoying yourself. Wala kang
Very
kakaba-kaba.
relaxed na relax si Caitlin today. Sobra po. Ay, hindi naman sobra. Kinakabahan din po. Ako.
Si Caitlin is taking up marketing management in the National College of Business and Arts. Ano naman ang career path na gusto mong sundin, Caitlin, after college?
Ano po kasi, kaya po ako nag-take ng business. Kasi po yung family ko po talaga, puro business po kami. Meron po kaming water filling station, meron po kami, nagpiprint po kami ng mga t-shirts, yan po. Meron din po kami mga food stalls.
Ayun.
Future entrepreneur to si Caitlin.
Oh, very, very good. That's awesome. Let's now find out kung sinong judge ang mapipili mo ngayong araw. Good luck, Caitlin. And just like yesterday, you will have 45 seconds to answer this question from our judges. But first, let's see what Miss Angeli Pangilinan Valenciano has for you.
Okay, Caitlin, as one of today's youth, what Filipino tradition do you consider most important to you and why?
Yan.
45 seconds, Caitlin.
Thank you po. Sa akin po, most important tradition po dito sa bansa po natin is yung pagiging magalang po. Kasi po sa iba pong bansa, hindi na po nabavalue masyado po yung pagiging magalang. Hindi lang po sa generation namin, kundi sa generation din po ng parents namin. Tinuruan na din po sila magmano, magpo at opo. Kaya po yun, most important po talaga sa akin yung pagiging magalang ng mga Pilipino. Thank you po.
Very well said. Galing sa puso.
Thank you, Caitlin. Thank you very much, Miss Angeli. Now let's call on our Miss U from Arellano University, Erica Regalado. We'll see you later, Caitlin. Thank you. Erica!
Hello, hello.
Si Erica, napakadaming interests and she can do
Jack
so
of
many
all
things.
trades.
Oo. Paano na-build yung interest mo in so many things, Erica? In karate, in singing for a choir, you're also member of the college debate team.
Kasi po gusto ko lang po matry yung mga iba't ibang genre naman po sa school namin, na hindi lang po sa singing, natatry ko din po yung katulad sa debate and mga katulad po ng public policy, which is related po siya sa course namin.
Alright.
No speed
Ako,
ako.
ayoko
How are you able to
makapag-
balance everything at the same time? Super hirap kaya i-juggle lahat yon at the same time. Hindi naman po. Parang binibigyan ko lang po sila ng tigi-isang time para po yung minsan sa choir naman po, yung iba naman po sa debate. Then binibigyan ko rin po ng time yung pag po sa public policy po sa school. Time management is the key.
Very important. Okay,
Okay.
Erica, pick your judge. Tingnan natin kung sino ang iyong napili. Today, Jeffrey Rogador will be asking the question for you. Go ahead, Jeffrey.
Hi, Erica.
Hello po.
Ang galing ng talent mo kanina.
Ay, thank
Napakanta
you
mo si
po.
Miss Nina. Yes.
Parinig.
Ano lang ulit?
Okay. Here's my question. What for you is a girl's best accessory?
45
Thank you po.
seconds. Go.
The best accessory a girl could wear is her smile. Kasi po sa kanyang ngiti, hindi lang po nababago yung personality niya. Nababago niya rin po yung buhay ng ibang tao, yung mga taong nai-interact niya. Nagagawa po niya na mapasaya yung ibang tao just to have that smile in her face. That's all, thank you.
Best of all, wala siyang bayad.
Libre
Libre lang ang ngiti. Maraming salamat
Yes.
sa'yo,
Thank you so
Erica
much,
and
Erica.
Jeffrey. All right. Good luck to our two contenders, Caitlin Fernandez of the National College of Business and the Arts and Erica Regalado from the Arellano University. Isi-save po natin ang mga scores na ibibigay ng mga judges nila sa daily competition. At itatali lang po natin yan by the end of the week para malaman kung sino pa sa mga Miss U candidates ang magpapatuloy sa ating competition.
Judges, pwede nyo nang ilagay ang scores na ibinigay ninyo sa Miss U inbox.
At Dabarkads, abangan ninyo ang mga Miss U project videos ng ating mga contestants. Ano kaya ang gagawin nila sa kanilang 1,000 pesos to make someone happy or to change someone's life?
Ang most creative and life-changing output will get a special prize. Ano kaya yun?
Kaya bukas abangan po kung sinong Miss You candidates pa maghaharap para patunayang sila ang next youth icon on television.
Sa pagbabalik namin, mga grade 1 students naman ang bibida. Ready na silang sumagot sa mga math problems. Ito ang Classroom Superstars. Pagbabalik ng Eat Bulaga.